The HYABi 48-inch cat tree is a delightful haven for your feline friends, offering a cozy room, hanging basket, and multiple play areas to keep them entertained. Its charming flower design not only serves as a functional playground for cats, but also adds an elegant touch to your home decor, seamlessly blending with modern interiors. Engineered with a reinforced base and anti-toppling fittings, this cat tree promises maximum stability and safety, ensuring peace of mind for cat owners. Constructed from CARB-certified P2 particleboard and plush materials, it provides ultimate comfort for cats, while the sisal and jute fiber scratching posts protect your furniture. The cat tree comes with detailed assembly instructions and all necessary tools, making setup quick and hassle-free, allowing your cats to enjoy their new playhouse in no time. HYABi prioritizes customer satisfaction, offering prompt assistance if you encounter any issues with the product, showcasing their commitment to quality and service.